Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. This is your Nifty guy. Please ignore the noise from the background, just like you got to ignore the noise in the markets and just focus on what is important. Uh, I'm actually at a swimming lesson for my daughter, so just sitting by the pool, I thought I'll just utilize this time and record the video and also analyze Nifty for tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. An important lesson right there. Ignore the noise and focus on what's important. Uh, so yeah, what we had discussed yesterday was that very long Nifty above this 10 line breakout and very short Nifty below this. So let's just see what happened in the markets today. So if you go just by the plan of it, that will be looking at shorting Nifty only below this particular low. The low was breached around 11:55. The market gave a nice pullback, and once this low was taken out, you could have entered a short over here. I did not trade anything today. I was out the entire day for some personal work, because of which I could not trade. So in case if you would have entered the short over here around 105 candle when this low was taken out, your initial SL would have been here. Uh, Market moved in your direction, gave a small pullback, again came down. You move your SL from here to this particular swing which was created. Market again came back up, did not trigger this. In case if it would have triggered this, you take the trailing SL and move out. Market did not trigger that, created another low. You move your SL around here. Once again, market gave a pullback. This was the last swing, and you could have very well held onto the trade until the end of the day if you follow the trading method using the just the swings. Now, what I also see here is another trading opportunity which would have given you a much earlier entry with much greater risk reward. So when I tell you to build a story around the markets, see if you see this was the last swing high which was above this particular swing high, and then market closed at the lows. At the open, market did not cross this swing high, gave a good fall. In case if market would had to go up, it would have crossed this particular high and this particular high together, and we would have gotten a long trade. But that did not happen. So what we can do is we can see here that there is a flag kind of pattern which was being made here, and the entry as per plan was below this low, but we got a good closing below this, a good pullback, and we could have got an entry around this particular level and captured this move as well. So this is something which I tell you when you have to look at the markets, you have to look at the swing highs and swing lows, important points, and see what the market is trying to do. If the who is in control? Are the bulls in control? Are the bears in control? Or what exactly is happening in the markets in the current scenario? And that is how you can plan. So if I would have been in the markets, I would not have missed this particular flag. And yes, at the you wait for the breakdown. Don't need to take a trade as soon as it breaks down. It might very well reverse from here. Well, let it break down, give a pullback because the pullback, and once this low is taken out, you enter. So that is how all your breakouts and breakdown trades should always be. Never a direct entry, but should always be followed with a breakout with a pullback always. Uh, Now let's have the plan for tomorrow. We'll just remove this. Also, if we have a look at the daily candle today, after a lot of days, Nifty has given a reversal candle. Now, what do I mean by a reversal candle is the high of the candle is lower than the previous high, the low is lower than the previous low, and the closing is below the previous low. So this is a negative candle, but we all know that this might be a retracement, uh, and we can expect the retracement till around even if we take the low roughly around these levels and the high around here, the markets can comfortably come down till around 23 100 or 22 900. This zone should act as a strong support when the market is in the retracement. In case if this is again a top and market has taken good resistance from 23 800 and market has no plans to go up, it will not go down in a single fashion. It will just like a market formed a base over here and then went up, it will either consolidate sideways around here or come down little bit, then move up, form a double top, and then we can look at entire shorting opportunity. But right now this is a still a retracement for me, nothing to worry about. But still, since I trade on an intraday basis, what we can look at is this gap filling trade tomorrow. So there's a spending gap in the markets around here, and what we can look at is a gap filling trade tomorrow. Uh, Looking at the closing, which is quite poor, we can plan a short trade below this, below today's low basically. And again, with a pullback, we can plan and we can trail accordingly. Also on the long side, let me just have a look at yeah, long side trades is something which again I will need this particular falls 50% to be again taken out. So if this is the entire from the 23,870 high that Nifty had made, and if we look at the low here, I'll be comfortable if Nifty crosses this particular level. So yeah, at least 50% of it should be retraced back, and I will be taking in a comfortable long position only above this particular high. Yeah. So I'll keep this very simple plan for tomorrow. We'll look at the creating a short position below today's low with a pullback, and we'll create a long only above once the 50% of the entire fall from yesterday's top has been taken out again with a pullback. So we'll keep the plan of action very, very simple for tomorrow. I hope my videos are helping you guys and you would be learning new concepts and also how to read the price effectively so that you can maximize your profits and minimize your losses. Losses are inevitable and they will definitely be there in the markets, which you need to learn from. But if you follow the price and you build a story around it, I believe, just like I have, you guys would also be able to control your losses to a certain extent. You just need to be calm given in the scenario. Once you take a trade, before you take a trade, you need to make sure where your SL is. And once you enter a trade, either you wait for your SL to hit, a logical SL to hit, not just any random figure or a random amount, a random number of points, but a logical SL for the market to take them price action wise to take your logical SL out. Either you let the SL hit or you wait for your targets. That is how you should be profitable in the long run. So yeah, that's it from me for today. In case you like my content, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it amongst your trading friends or your trading community, and do comment down anything that you might have in the comments box, be it feedback, be it criticism. I'm open to both. And yeah, that's it from me for today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. This is your Nifty guy signing off. Cheers. Have a good day, guys.